Now let me show you how to remove this rear parcel tray in case you want added boot space. So what you need to do is you will have these two loops here that pull the parcel tray to the top when you open the boot cover. Take them out and you'll notice that it is resting on these two hinges here. There are two, one each on either side. So simply pull it out of the slot and you can take out the parcel tray. To put it back, it's very simple. Follow the same steps backward. Put it into the loop and you need to give it a small shove. That is it. Play. So the luggage tray rests properly on this trim. And pull the loops back into the boot door.